Lightning is caused by the buildup and discharge of electrical energy within a thunderstorm. As thunderstorms form, the rising warm air creates an area of low pressure at the base of the storm. This low pressure causes the surrounding air to rush in, creating winds. As the winds blow, they cause friction between different layers of air, which generates electrical charges. These charges separate, with negatively charged particles accumulating at the bottom of the storm and positively charged particles accumulating at the top. When the difference in charge between the top and bottom of the storm becomes great enough, a lightning bolt is created as a discharge of electricity, which can be seen as a flash of light in the sky. Here are a few more specific details about the process of lightning formation that are worth noting. One important factor is that thunderstorms typically have multiple layers of rising and falling air. As air rises, it cools and the water vapor in it condenses, forming clouds. As the water droplets in the clouds collide and merge, they create larger droplets, which eventually fall as rain. The falling rain creates an area of positively charged particles at the bottom of the storm, while the rising air creates an area of negatively charged particles at the top. Another important factor is that the positively and negatively charged areas of the storm are separated by a charge separation region where the charge is neutral. As the storm intensifies, the charge separation region gets thinner and the voltage difference between the top and bottom of the storm increases. When the voltage difference becomes great enough, a lightning bolt is created as a discharge of electricity. It's also worth noting that there are different types of lightning, including cloud-to-ground lightning, cloud-to-cloud lightning, and intercloud lightning. Each of these types of lightning is caused by slightly different mechanisms, but they all involve the buildup and discharge of electrical energy within a thunderstorm.